We should speak English confidently and clearly. In today's world, the ability to speak English confidently and clearly is more important than ever. English is the most widely used international language. It is the language of business, science, technology, aviation, and the internet. When people from different countries meet, English is often the common language they use to communicate. Therefore, speaking English with confidence and clarity opens doors to new opportunities, helps us connect with others, and builds our self-esteem. 1. English is a global language. English is spoken by more than 1.5 billion people around the world. It is the official or second language in more than 70 countries. When you travel to a new country, apply for international jobs, or study abroad, knowing how to speak English well can make a big difference. But more than just knowing English, we need to speak it with confidence and clear pronunciation. Confidence shows others that we are sure of what we are saying, and speaking clearly helps others understand us better. 2. Speaking clearly helps communication. When we speak clearly, people can understand us more easily. This is important not just in formal settings, like presentations or interviews, but also in daily life, whether we're asking for directions, ordering food, or joining a conversation. Clear speech means pronouncing words correctly, using the right tone, and not speaking too fast or too slow. You don't need a perfect accent to speak English well. Many people speak with accents from their own countries, and that's completely okay. What matters is that your words are easy to understand. Practicing pronunciation, learning the rhythm of English, and using proper intonation all help make your speech clearer. 3. Why confidence matters. Even if you know a lot of English words and grammar, it doesn't help much if you're too shy or nervous to speak. Confidence gives you the courage to use what you've learned. When you speak confidently, people listen more carefully. They respect your efforts and respond with kindness and patience. Sometimes we're afraid of making mistakes, and this fear stops us from speaking. But the truth is, making mistakes is part of learning. Everyone who learns a language makes mistakes. Even native speakers make them. What's important is that you keep speaking, learning, and improving. The more you practice, the better and more confident you become. 4. Benefits of speaking English. Confidently speaking. English confidently and clearly has many benefits. Better job opportunities. Employers prefer candidates who can express themselves clearly in English. Higher self-esteem. You feel proud and independent when you can speak with others in a second language. More friendships. You can make friends with people from different countries and cultures. Travel becomes easier. You can ask questions, follow directions, and enjoy your journey more fully. Access to more knowledge. Most information on the internet, books, and research papers are in English. These benefits not only help you grow in your career, but also in your personal life. 5. How to improve confidence in speaking. If you want to be more confident in speaking English, here are some simple and helpful tips. Practice every day. Speak English with friends, family, or even by yourself. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. Think in English. Try to form your thoughts in English instead of your native language. This helps you speak faster and more fluently. Record yourself. Listen to how you speak and notice what you can improve. You'll hear your progress over time. Watch and listen. Watch English movies, shows, and listen to English songs or podcasts. This improves your vocabulary and pronunciation. Join a speaking group. Practice with others who are learning English too. It's a friendly and safe way to build your skills. Remember, start small and be patient with yourself. 6. Overcoming fear of speaking. Fear is one of the biggest reasons why many people avoid speaking English. This fear can come from past experiences, from worrying about grammar, or from being judged. But to grow, we must face our fear. Ask yourself, what's the worst that can happen? Maybe someone corrects your grammar. That's not bad at all. It's a chance to learn. Most people admire your efforts to learn a second language. Many will even encourage you. Take deep breaths before speaking. Prepare what you want to say. Focus on communication, not perfection. Your goal is to be understood, not to speak like a native. 7. Positive mindset and belief in yourself. Believing in yourself is the first step. Tell yourself, I can speak English. Stay positive. Don't compare yourself with others. Everyone has a different journey. Celebrate small wins. For example, if you had a short conversation in English today, that's already progress. Learning a language is like growing a plant. You water it every day with practice and positivity. One day, you will see it bloom. Your English will shine, and you will feel proud of how far you've come. Speaking English confidently and clearly is not only about knowing grammar or having the right vocabulary. It's about believing in yourself, practicing regularly, and overcoming fear. It allows you to communicate, express your ideas, and connect with the world. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to keep going. Every word you speak brings you one step closer to fluency. So, speak up, smile, and let your English voice be heard. 8. Real-life situations where confident English helps think about everyday situations. Whether you are in a coffee shop ordering a drink, at school giving a short talk, or in a meeting sharing your ideas, your English matters. Even a simple sentence like, "Can you help me, please?" becomes powerful when said clearly and kindly. In school, speaking confidently helps students participate more in class discussions. Teachers appreciate it when students ask questions or explain their thoughts. In university or online courses, students often work in groups and need to speak clearly to complete group projects. Good communication also helps you make friends and ask for support when needed. In the workplace, confident English helps in meetings, presentations, emails, and teamwork. When you express your thoughts clearly, you earn the respect of your colleagues. If you work in tourism, hospitality, or international business, strong English skills can increase your salary and job opportunities. Even online, if you want to join forums, study courses, create YouTube content, or do freelance work, English is the key. Speaking well gives you a voice in the global conversation. 9. English is a tool, not a test. Many learners believe they must speak perfect English before they can speak at all. That is not true. English is not a test to pass. It's a tool to use. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to be understandable and open to learning. For example, if you want to buy a ticket and you say, "I want ticket train go 6 o'clock," it's not perfect grammar, but it communicates the message. With more practice, you will say, "I'd like to buy a train ticket for 6 o'clock." But it's okay to start simple. Each time you use English, you become stronger. You learn what works, what doesn't, and you slowly grow. People will help you. Mistakes are normal. They are signs that you're trying, and trying is always better than silence. 10. The power of daily practice. Speaking English is like training your muscles. You need to use it every day. Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily speaking practice makes a difference. Here are some easy ways to do it. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. Example: Now I am making breakfast. I'm cutting the bread. I will drink tea. Shadowing technique. Listen to a sentence in English and repeat it out loud immediately. You copy the tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. Join online speaking clubs or use apps that connect you with learners. Practice with friends who are also learning. Start a challenge. Let's speak only English for 10 minutes every day. Consistency is more important than long hours. Just like brushing your teeth every day, a little bit of English every day keeps your skills fresh and growing. 11. Body language and eye contact help confidence. How you use your body also affects how people hear you. When you speak, try to stand or sit up straight. Look people in the eye, in a friendly way. Smile when appropriate. Speak slowly and clearly, don't rush. Even if your words are not perfect, your body language can help deliver your message confidently. A calm tone, good posture, and eye contact show that you are sure of yourself. 12. Read aloud and record yourself. Many learners feel nervous because they don't know how they sound. A simple and powerful tip: read aloud every day. Choose short texts like stories, news articles, or even English dialogues. Read slowly and clearly. Focus on pronunciation and stress. Then, record yourself on your phone. Listen to it. This helps you hear your mistakes and track your progress. Over time, you will hear improvement, and this will increase your motivation. 13. Ask for feedback. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback from teachers, tutors, or native speakers. Just say, "Please let me know if I make any mistakes. I want to learn." Most people will be happy to help. Also, learn from others. When someone corrects you, thank them. Don't feel embarrassed. Feel proud. You are learning something new. Feedback is a gift, not a criticism. 14. Develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset means you believe your abilities can improve with effort and time. Instead of saying, "I can't speak English," say, "I'm learning to speak English." Instead of, "My pronunciation is bad," say, "My pronunciation is getting better." Changing the way you talk to yourself builds confidence. Encourage yourself like a friend would. Say, "It's okay to make mistakes. I'm growing. Every time I speak, I get stronger. I can do this. I will improve." This kind of thinking gives you power. 15. Celebrate small wins. Each step forward is a victory. Did you speak English to a stranger today? That's a win. Did you learn 5 new words? Another win. Did someone understand your English? Huge win. Celebrate progress even if it's small. These wins keep your motivation high and make learning joyful. Write them down in a notebook or keep a confidence journal. 16. Surround yourself with English. Make your environment help you. Change your phone and social media language to English. Watch English shows with subtitles. Put English labels on things in your house. Listen to English songs. Follow English-speaking YouTubers. This daily exposure improves your listening, vocabulary, and fluency. The more you hear and see English, the more natural it becomes. 17. Teach others or speak to children. One great way to grow your confidence is to teach. Teach a friend or younger sibling what you know in English. When you explain something, you become more confident in it. Also, try talking to children in English. They don't judge, and they often speak simply. It's good practice for both of you. Speaking English clearly and confidently is not just about language. It's about believing in your voice. You have stories, ideas, dreams, and knowledge to share. Don't let fear stop you. You don't need perfect grammar. You need courage. You don't need a fancy accent. You need clarity. You don't need to be fluent today. You just need to take one step every day. Your voice matters. Your words matter. Speak English confidently, clearly, and with pride. The world is waiting to hear what you have to say.